Never get sick of this. All right, time to head down to Ao Yon and get on the boat. Ooh, super nice day out today. As usual, it's been raining a lot for the past couple weeks. I mean, it's monsoon season and all, but it should be a nice afternoon to get out for sail. Hopefully, we don't get hit by any surprise squalls. Tried to reach out to a few people to see if anybody wanted to come, but we're super busy these days, so we'll do it solo. We'll head in, we'll see Nilo at the boatyard, and see if he can't figure out what's going on with my milky gear oil in the sail drive. Like stinky marijuana. Somebody is growing a bunch of plants out here. Alright, let's grab a cup of beer, some water, and then we'll hop on the boat. We made it down to Sail in Asia base here, Ao Yon Bay. My boat moored out here now. Absolutely wonderful day. So, there she is out there. We've got to come over, prepare the dinghy, and then zip out, make sure everything's clean and working, and then we're on our way. Here we are. Pulled the cushions out. I'll take the rest of them out, throw them out here. Usually try and keep this place as clean as possible. You need to come do some wipe downs with like some anti-mold and mildew spray to try and keep that under control. We'll come out, open all the hatches, get some air running through the boat. Still, I love this area. Ao Yon Bay. Absolutely beautiful out here. Oh, there you go. So we just let loose of the mooring. We're going to head out of the bay here, get away from some of these ships and get away from the oyster farm behind me,
fly a couple sails, put some music on, and enjoy the trip. Should be like 2 to 3 hours, depending. Anyway, couldn't ask for a better day to do it. Alright, sails up. Right now the wind's at our back. Let's go take a walk around. Woo! Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. That's it. Now we can put on some music and enjoy the trip. Bye bye, Ao Yon. Awesome breeze, some great tunes. Couldn't ask for nicer weather. This is Sunkist.